This is the net of a prism. So we have two shapes here, basically. We have the area of a rectangle and we have the area of a square. So let's start with the rectangle. We have this rectangle here, this rectangle here, this rectangle here, and this rectangle here. So the formula for the area of a rectangle, A equals BH. So when we put our measurements on there, we have A equals, we have 4 on this one, so 4 times, and if this is 10, then this is 10. 4 times 10. So the area of those rectangles is 40. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in here. 40, 40, 40, and 40. Then we have the area of the squares. Then those in essence turn into our bases, our top and bottom faces. Right here. So area of a square is just a rectangle whose sides are all the same length. So A equals BH is still our formula. A equals 10 times 10, and A equals 100. So this one's 100, and this one is 100. So when we add those areas up, we have 100 plus 100 is 200, and we have 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, or we could say 40 times 4. Either way, we should get 160. So when we add our 200 to our 160, we should get a final answer of 360. We're working with the unit of feet. So feet squared is our answer.